Do you struggle with money, time freedom, loving what you do, stress in your life, wondering how to change your situation with your job, your income, and everything else that's related to it? You're not alone. 85% of the population out there, working population, hates their jobs. Why are we doing this? Well, most people don't know that we have options. And why are there so many people like me out there promoting this? Online businesses. Why? Because we're doing it. And we're changing our lives. And we're showing other people that there are ways to get out of that situation you're in that's so unhappy. There's skepticism. We're told that these are scams, that these are not legitimate ways to make money. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm a former investment banker, and I spent 25 years watching traditional businesses struggle. In fact, over 87%, close to 90% failed. That's much bigger than the people that hate their jobs, that want to get out. Yet we continue to live these traditional lives. Why aren't we taking our options? Why? Because we're told we're supposed to go to college, and that if you want to change your career, you go back to college or some kind of school where you get a skill, and you spend years and a ton of money and more time to get out and go back into the traditional world that doesn't work. And then you realize, wait a minute, what did I just do? I just traded it all out. Well, I quit my 25-year investment banking career. I knew that creating an online business was the best of all worlds. I knew I was going to have to work to learn it, but I knew I could do it differently at home with a fraction of the investment. I also knew what it could create. I knew it could create things that I found of value, that I wanted to promote the way I wanted to, working with whoever I chose to work with. I also knew it was going to give me the time freedom to create that life that I love, and working on the things I'm passionate about. You see, I'm not excited about online businesses. I'm excited about the things that I promote and share with the world. And that's what drives the success of an online business, is loving what you do, having the freedom, and making money. If you don't have all those components, well, you're just right back to where you were, stressing out, trying to make money online. So I want to share with you what I did. When I quit my investment banking job and I went and learned online skills, I wrote a best-selling, award-winning book, and it was turned into a television movie. I was able to focus on that thing that I love doing. I then created 2 online businesses that are automated, and I far surpassed my income as an investment banker. Why aren't we doing this? It seems difficult. It's not. You don't need tech experience. You don't need a business background or a high-level education. You just have to have the desire to change your life and go after what you do love. Create it and get the support and the step-by-step training that'll get you there. You don't do it alone. You have an entire team of mentors, trainers, and a like-minded community like myself. Thousands of people are doing this. Why aren't we going after our dreams? We're told it's wrong. We're told we're foolish. We're told that that's just not normal. And then we go back to jobs we hate. And the very people that tell us that, they don't love their lives either. But we do. I do. I wake up every morning and I'm so thankful for the life that I live. It's a dream way beyond I could have imagined. You can go after that dream and you can achieve it. We'll help you to do it. I promote this because I so strongly believe in changing this planet and getting people to live the lives that they desire. Not going after the money and not going right back into the matrix, but creating lives they love, doing what they love, getting financially rewarded. There's nothing wrong with making money, and you can do it. Allow us to give you a free workshop. You can click somewhere here on the screen and you'll get a 4-workshop series that talks about how online businesses work, where you can make money, how do you learn this, and how do you apply it, and what is the system like, what's this education like, and how can you create that new world, that new life that you desire. So click somewhere here. I did the same thing. I was very skeptical, but I realized this was the real deal, a real education system, and I knew what I could do with it. I hope that you join us. You have nothing to lose. You can subscribe, and if you don't like it, well, you unsubscribe and you tried it. Isn't it worth looking into something that could possibly change your life? It is a new earth, and technology rules. Why not use it for something amazing and good for you and your family, your loved ones? Click somewhere here on the screen. I hope to see you on the other side, and I'll be there to personally guide and mentor you. Not as a teacher, because I'm a student too. I've been doing this for over 5 years, and it has massively changed my life. Click somewhere here on the screen, and we'll show you how an online business can open big doors for you to that freedom, that income, that life you deserve. Thanks for listening. Click somewhere on the screen, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care.